TATE automatic nut spot welding machine source manufacturer. No middleman to make the difference. The price of the machine is cheaper, and the service is better. It is widely used in nut projection welding and bolt projection welding of high-strength steel and hot-formed steel in the automobile manufacturing industry, and can also be used for nut projection welding and bolt projection welding of low-carbon steel plates, stainless steel plates, and galvanized plates. The features of TATE automatic nut spot welding machine are: 1. There is no false welding, and the nut does not need to be screwed back after welding. 2. Application of intermediate frequency controller. The shortest power on time can reach 1 millisecond. 3. Current accuracy can be controlled within 2%. 4. Advanced and reliable technology. High load duration. 5. Energy saving. Compared with a C-spot welding machine, it can save energy by more than 30%. 6. The input power is more than 30% lower than that of a C-spot welding machines. 7. Nut projection welding spatter is small. Reduce costs with factory direct sourcing. OEM/ODM available. Subscribe to our channel for more machine info.